Hello everyone, this is just a quick video showing you the updated software for the Mucar BT200. This is the new home page. Although if you want to use this software, my original video still stands. How I've shown you in there, this still works exactly the same. It's just that they've added a few new features that I will go through here. To actually do the diagnostics, you click on here and you'll be presented with this page where you can do the auto VIN search or enter the VIN manually. You can still select any manufacturer going through here and download it. If I click on demo, you can now see, I'll click on forward, and you can see that this part of the software has been unchanged. It still works exactly the same as my previous tutorial. If you click on health report, it will scan the whole vehicle and find any faults that you may have. So we've got a couple on the powertrain. If we click on the powertrain, we've got the same information here as we have on the previous version of the software. So if we read fault codes, now if you don't understand quite what this means or how to repair it, if you click on the search button, it will take you straight through to Google, and there will probably be a video on how to repair that particular fault, or at least it will explain what the problem is. If we go back, now if you want to go to the home page from here, you click this little icon up here in the right corner, and that will take us back to the home page. It is really just the home page that has changed. There are a few more features on here, easier to get to. You've got your reports, vehicle coverage, your history, and then down the bottom here, the messages, mail, and all about yourself. So I think that's about it for this. I will do another tutorial going all the way through this, but I just wanted to explain that you can still use my original video tutorial even though the home page has now changed. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Please help the channel out by liking and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.